What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are currently still in Washington, D.C. We still have a full day of sightseeing to do. We gotta find breakfast. We're actually gonna be going back to the same spot we went to last night, the Founding Farmers. Their dinner was so good, we were just like, you know what? We're gonna give their breakfast a shot because it was just that good. Here's the menu. I'm definitely gonna get some coffee. I don't know what to eat though. Got my cup of joe. It's a good cup of joe. Food. I got the pastrami beef hash, or pastrami hash. Looks good. Here, first bite of pastrami hash. That's good. It's perfectly cooked. Got a lot of flavor. That's a good choice. We're down back at the National Mall. Breakfast was actually great this morning. Amazing. If you guys here in DC, like I said, go to Founding Farmers. It's a great place. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. Food's amazing there. So if you guys are visiting, make sure you go. Right now, so we're actually right by the World War II Memorial. Architecture is amazing. It's just the way it was built. It's so beautiful. I didn't even realize this place was built in 2004. Shows how much I know about my history, man. Need to study up. Come down to DC and check this out. Here we mark the price of freedom. Lincoln Memorial. We're heading over there right now. The crazy thing is we wanted to go see the Holocaust Museum today, but man, that thing's booked till like after 4th of July. We were trying to get tickets this whole weekend. We were trying to get tickets before we even got here, and we couldn't get tickets to the Holocaust Museum. We even tried to look into the same day tickets. We couldn't get them. So we saw the same day tickets pop up, gone. Like there's people like us just waiting to grab them too. So I understand. It must be a really great museum. Real bummer that we weren't able to see it. Because the Aerospace Museum is closed down too. They're doing renovations. They're not reopening till fall. I was really bummed about that.
They're always doing updates of that museum though, because they did the last time that I came a few years ago. It was closed too.
I know, but that's like one of the big, that's like the Mac Daddies, one of the Mac Daddies. That's like what you want to come here to see is that place. National Gallery of Art was really nice too. I liked it. The infrastructure of the building, beautiful, amazing. I wish they built my house like that, you know. If I ever build a house, guys, and I ever make it, that's how I want my house built. I'm just gonna like build me exactly what the Museum of Art is. Looks like I want that. We made it to the Lincoln Memorial. Look at that thing. Man, there's the Washington Monument down there. All right, here's the dilemma. I'm trying to get like a really clear picture of this place. Not happening. Too much people. I want to know how Hollywood gets this place to themselves. Like, you see movies, man? How the hell are they the only ones sitting on the steps? And Wedding Crashers?
Yeah.
Yeah, Wedding Crashers, they were just sitting on the step one afternoon or early morning or late afternoon, and there's nobody here. There's Captain America dudes running around in circles. There's not one person to be seen. Shocking how that works. We're gonna get up and see Abe, so let's go check him out. Dang, there's Lincoln. That's the best shot I'm gonna get with him on video right now. There's people everywhere in this place. So I'm just trying to like not to get too much people on the camera. But this thing is huge. You gotta come and see it. It's amazing. Abraham Lincoln. But yeah, the infrastructure, like this building is beautiful. It's so nice. Just the way it was built. Oh my God, incredible. You know, I've been saying incredible a lot lately. This whole DC area is incredible. But this Lincoln Memorial, this is like the highlight of the whole trip. This thing is amazing. It's huge. Definitely worth coming to see. If you're in nearby states, drive over. It's I promise you, it's definitely worth it. We're at the Korean War Memorial. Saw most of the museums. Real bummer we couldn't see the Holocaust and the Aerospace Museum. But hey, it's not in our hands. You know what though? I would say if you're gonna visit Washington DC, I think it's gonna be a one-time trip. It's like when you go see the Grand Canyon, you've seen it and you're done. Getting here for about 2 days, 3 days, see everything, I think that'll be it for you. But hey, you know, I know some people are like real history buffs. I know they're definitely gonna be coming back more often, or more than once at least. We're at this chicken place called Nando's. Supposedly they're supposed to have some really good chicken. I mean, like really good chicken. That's what my wife tells me. So everything is based off what she's saying right now. But I believe her. I think it's gonna be good. There's the food. I got the quarter chicken and I got the Portuguese rice. Then we also got some chicken livers and coleslaw and 2 quarter pieces.
This is the extra hot peri peri sauce, and then you got the lemon lime, I think.
Yeah, I got the lemon lime sauce. There you go. Blend flavor. All right, got some chicken. Oh my God. That chicken's good. It's so tender. Yeah. Get a little bit of this. Chicken liver.
You're not gonna like it.
Not a big fan. My wife likes chicken liver. Me, not a big fan. Oh man. My chicken liver is something else. Woo. Right here, guys, this peri peri sauce right here with garlic. This stuff makes the difference right here. Just want to pour that on the chicken. There you go, just like that. Boom. Fire. That Nando's chicken was good. It was juicy, it wasn't dry, it was perfect. And then you add that peri peri sauce on the side. Fire. Peri peri sauce. Peri peri sauce. It was good. Boy, but I tell you in DC, there's a lot of cops everywhere. I'm kind of shocked. Like, there's cops everywhere down here, like everywhere. We're gonna head up to our room now. Just get packed up, rest up. Morning, guys. We're all packed up. You can see right there. And we're gonna be heading to the airport in about 5 minutes. Overall, the hotel room was great. Downside, bed was hard as a rock. Was not a big fan of the bed. Kind of wish they had a softer bed. Reagan International Airport. Just got to get through security. We got through security. We're in the airport. We're in the Delta Sky Lounge right now. Gotta love having these lounges. It's so awesome. You get all this food. I got cheese egg omelet with some turkey sausage patties, pineapple. You gotta have the morning mimosa. Cheers. See if there's any differences this time. Maybe the food might be different, might be better, who knows. But boarding was a little cluster. It's really busy right now. A lot of people flying. People are just trying to go everywhere. Cranberry vodka. Perfect mix. Good service, by the way, too. Back in Minneapolis. Made it. I guess the details on that first class flight was the food wasn't that great. It was kind of disappointing. You know, Delta first class is really good. Unlimited drink service. You get fed on the plane. The flight stewardesses are great. They attend to every need. Whatever you need, they'll try their best to help you. The overall trip, go to DC, guys. Washington DC is an amazing place. Go for it. I'm gonna end the video here. I'm exhausted. I'm tired. I'm definitely tired. If you guys haven't, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Give my videos a thumbs up and turn on that post notification so you guys don't miss out on my future content. I'm Novice Adventurer. I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh, people taking pictures. Gotta get out of the way. But I really want to see that. Like, got the spaceships and the plane. Right, there's spaceships in there, right?
I think so. There's a rocket.
Yeah, like a small rocket, or it's not the NASA space shuttle, right?
I don't think so.
Yeah, so I wasn't able to see that.
Is that your new thing now? Mint?
That's a new word now, mint. I like that word. 2 people.
Museum one. What is that one called?
Museum 1.
What is that? What is that movie with Ben Stiller?
Night at the Museum?
Yeah. Remember they came here and it was just them?
Yeah. Oh, dude almost fell down. Careful, man. See that guy almost eat it?
No.
He almost ate it.